Unraveling the split stitch, a key to embroidery mastery. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of embroidery, focusing on a fundamental technique, the split stitch. Whether you're an aspiring needleworker or looking to polish your English terminology, understanding this stitch is a step toward creating intricate and beautiful designs. The split stitch is a basic embroidery stitch that's used for outlining, texturing, or even filling areas in a design. It involves splitting the thread of the previous stitch with the next one, hence the name split stitch. It's a versatile technique that adds a braided, textured look to your work. Embroidery has a rich history, and the split stitch has been a staple for centuries. It's been used in various cultures for decorating garments, household items, and even for bookbinding. Today, it's a go-to stitch for embroiderers for its durability and classic look. Let's get practical. Here's how you do it. 1. Bring the needle up from the back of the fabric. 2. Make a small stitch forward. 3. Bring the needle up again but through the middle of the stitch you just made. 4. Continue this process, always splitting the previous stitch. Remember, keeping your stitches even is the key to a smooth, consistent pattern. Even seasoned stitchers can slip up with the split stitch. A common mistake is not splitting the previous stitch evenly, which can cause a bumpy texture. Tip: practice on a scrap piece of fabric to perfect your technique before moving on to your main project. And that's a wrap on the split stitch. With practice, you'll find it's a simple yet powerful stitch that can elevate your embroidery work. Happy stitching, and I hope this video has been insightful. Until next time, keep threading the needle of learning and creativity.